Hi guys! Can I fix this without sewing? If you've ever had a hem come loose, here's a quick temporary fix that doesn't require a needle and thread. Today I'm using Dritz Res-Q Tape to repair this shirt hem. The tape comes on a roll and you simply cut off the length you need. If your repair is a little narrower, you can trim the width too. Now I'm placing the tape along the edge of the hem. Taking a little extra time here helps make sure everything is lined up before sealing the repair. One thing I like about this tape is that it's clear, so you don't have to worry about it showing through the fabric. It's also hypoallergenic and designed to stick to fabric without leaving a sticky residue behind when it's removed. Now that everything is in place, I can peel away the backing to expose the second adhesive side. Then I fold the hem back into position, line everything up, and press the two sides together. The finished repair looks nice and neat, and I like that I was able to fix this shirt without having to sew. Of course, this is designed as a temporary repair, but it's perfect for those times when you don't have a sewing kit handy or you just need a quick fix to get you through the day. Whether it's a loose hem, a seam that needs a little help, or another small fabric repair, this tape is simple to use and good to have on hand. I can definitely see myself keeping a roll in my sewing supplies for those little emergencies that always seem to happen at the worst time.